Hey guys, so in this video I'll compare the Oukitel WP50 with the Oukitel WP35. Anyway, if you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's compare the top specs of both devices. The WP35 is a much more better device in my opinion, but I'd like to hear your thoughts. Which of the two devices do you think is best? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.